Hello everyone, today let's animate our images, let's have some fun. This quick, easy tutorial will teach you how. Let's go! First open your Canva. Google account is enough. It's all free, don't worry. Choose video. Now upload an image. Copy this image. Make it as big as you want, and then let's go to apps. Choose Animify. Choose the image you want to change. That's it, click. There you go. Quick, easy and free. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.